Hey, it's Felting Friday. I just wanted to come on real quick and see what everybody's working on today. Are you felting on Friday? If not, you should be. I'm working on this really cool bag. Well, I think it's cool. And I was just rubbing. And I was just thinking about how amazed by wool I really am. This started out as this. This is my resist. This is what went inside. Let's see if we can do it. This little thing. This was inside this, and look at how much it's already shrunk. It's almost done. We're almost there. But I was just thinking about how amazing wool is. The fact that you can rub and shape it into whatever you want. It's pretty awesome. I'm also still kind of in panic mode because our farmer's market is coming very soon. And I've been very busy making videos for you. That's okay. Totally worth it. But it has kind of cut into my production time, and so my inventory is a little skimpy. But I'm working on fixing that. So I just had to check in and see what you guys are doing. Are you doing the same thing? Are you felting? Are you wet felting? Are you needle felting? Do you even know what wet felting is? I feel like not very many people know what wet felt is. When I say I'm a felter, they immediately in their mind think of needle felting. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm not a big fan of the needle felting. So it's wet felting, and most people don't even know what it is. They're like, how do you do that? Well, soapy water and agitation, right? We just rub till we lose our fingertips. Sometimes that actually happens. I was working on this, I had a fair entry. I had this really cool idea, and it turned out really awesome. But it was a 3D, it was like a mat that had raised ripples like water, and then it had a separate piece that I felted that looked like the water was splashing out. And then I had a third element that was very delicate white ball that of course was hollow, and I stuck a light in it. But rubbing, I literally rubbed my fingerprints right off. It was crazy, but it turned out super cool. It did super well. I was very impressed with myself because I really kind of stepped outside of my knowledge base and my experience and tried something new. And I had an image in my mind that felt like it needed to come out. And so I made it, and it was awesome. But I lost my fingerprints for about a week. That's the thing. So, anyways, I hope you're doing well. I hope your Friday is going smashingly. I hope you have big plans for the weekend, and I hope that you make beautiful things. Okay, bye!